Today we're covering Ashlar Slate stamped concrete, the classic choice. Here's what you need to know. Ashlar Slate stamped concrete delivers timeless aesthetics at 8 to 16 per square foot. Learn costs, durability, design options, and installation for NC homeowners. Quick answer. Ashlar Slate stamped concrete costs 8 to 16 per square foot and lasts 25 to 30 years with proper sealing and maintenance. It delivers stone-like aesthetics without the cost of real masonry, making it a smart choice for driveways, patios, and pool decks across North Carolina. Ashlar Slate stamped concrete has become the go-to decorative finish for homeowners who want lasting elegance without quarrying costs. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The team works on everything from small accent patios to large driveway installations, and they operate on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and local concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This post covers what Ashlar Slate stamp is, why homeowners choose it, realistic pricing, the installation process, and how to keep it looking sharp for 3 decades. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in decorative concrete finishes, including Ashlar Slate stamped patterns that replicate natural stone at a fraction of the cost. Ashlar Slate stamped typically costs between 8 and 16 per square foot for material and labor, depending on complexity and local market rates. Unlike most concrete contractors, local concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and local concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Ashlar Slate patterns remain one of the most requested stamped finishes because they age gracefully and require only basic sealing and maintenance to last 25 to 30 years. Moving on to what is Ashlar Slate stamped concrete. Ashlar Slate stamped concrete is a decorative concrete finish that mimics the appearance of real slate stone arranged in a rectangular, masonry-style pattern. The concrete slab is poured and allowed to reach the right set time window. Then rigid rubber or polyurethane mats, stamps, are pressed into the surface in overlap grows. Each stamp impression creates a uniform, geometric block shape with realistic stone texture, fissures, depth variation, and subtle color gradients that closely resemble natural slate. The key distinction between Ashlar and other stone-look stamps is geometry. Ashlar uses clean, rectangular blocks, typically 12 to 18 inches wide by 24 to 36 inches long, arranged in offset rows, similar to traditional brick or ashlar masonry. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.